Here's some stretching and strengthening exercise you can do right from your chair. Let's put our thumbs up and open our hands wide apart. Just pulse back and forth for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now from there, turn your thumbs downwards and bring them back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, palms up and thumbs back, and then cross over and then back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you're going to swing your arms up and down. Carefully going up. Try to touch your thumbs to your back of your shoulders. Then down. Be careful that nothing's behind you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, try to keep up as best as you can. You could take a rep or two off if it's too fast. Shoulder shrugs back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, fold your fingers like this and put it behind your head. And as you put a little bit of pressure on your head with your palms, push your chin back and keep your elbows far and hold it out for 5, 4, 3, 2, down. Now we'll do a little bit of lower legs. Put our palms here, keep our elbows up, chest out. Now we're going to do knees. So this is 1 set. So 2 equals 1. 20 reps, 10 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, while you're catching breath while I talk, I'm going to demonstrate. You're going to bring your right hand to your left ankle and just almost like you're hitting a hacky sack, or a soccer ball. Again, 20 reps or 10 sets. Start with the left leg to the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you're going to lift up your leg and kick. So make sure you just lift a little bit and then kick. Again, 20 reps or 10 sets. We'll start with the left leg. Or lift, kick, up, kick. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Lift up a little bit. 4. See, up, kick. 5, 6. Slow down if you're going too fast. 7, 8, 9. One more set. Lift, kick, up, kick, and down. So listen while you're catching your breath. If you felt like your back was hurting or it was too much of a stretch, it feels good if it's a good stretch, but if you went too high or too fast, just slow it down and don't lift up so high. Now, last thing with the legs, you want to lift up or extend our left leg and toes pointing up. We're just going to lift it up and down. This one, do 10 on the left leg first. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now rest, lift up the other side. Legs straight, start low. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As you're catching your breath, we're going to do a hip stretch. So feet a little bit wider apart and turn your toes outwards like a sumo stretch. You're going to push out your knees and lean forward. All right, not too far. We'll do 10. Ready? While you're applying pressure to your knees, forward. 1, back. 2, back. 3, 4, breathing. 5, 6, these really open up your hips. 7, 8, 9, hold the last one for 3, 2, 1, and sit back and cross your legs and turn to your side. So if your left leg's over on top, turn towards your left shoulder. Hold it for 2-3 seconds. Feel your glutes stretch. Switch legs. Right leg over. Look over your right side. Right? Don't turn too fast or twist too hard. Fingers tight. Fist in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now this one's really good for your wrists. Fold your fingers and just kind of move them up and down like this for 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So similar to the other chart. So similar to many other chair exercises we'll be doing, but also a few variations. So take it slow. Be sure to take deep breaths. Pause, drink some water if you're feeling lightheaded or tired. And just try this every day or every other day if you can. Try these today.